Thank you. I barely managed to escape from the camp, but there are still people left behind. I know it's shameless to ask, but please, help them.
Where are those people, man? Custody capture slave. All research journal. The all research journal. What's that all research journal you're talking about, bro?